Alright guys, so welcome to your training video. My client is here. So the first thing, like I explained in the other video, always sanitize your hand and let your client see that your hands are clean. Okay? So sanitize your hand, and then you're going to have your client read the consent form that I showed you already. Give this to your client, have them read it and sign it, okay? So here, I'm gonna give you this to read. Put it on here.
Thank you.
Okay, I have one more form for you.
Okay.
Okay. So the second thing you want to do is have your client read the health history form and have them sign the the form. So you can ask them question like, you know, are they allergic to vitamin E? Because we're going to be using vitamin E swab, and also peroxide, or if they have any medical history that may prevent them from getting the treatment. Are they, if they're a woman, are they breastfeeding or are they pregnant? Okay, so you're gonna give this to the client, have them read it over and sign it. Okay. You. And the last thing is the COVID-19 questionnaire. So you want to make sure you give this to your client, and they read the question, make sure they answer no to, you know, all the questions, because we don't want no COVID here. So give this to your client and have them read it and sign. Okay. Thank you. So, thank you. All right. So the next thing you want to do is put the dental bead on your client. I explained this in the first video. This is used to protect their clothing. So you want to put this on your client. There. And then the next thing you want to do, you can sanitize your hand again. You can never sanitize your hand enough. So you can sanitize your hand again. And then put your gloves on, okay? So once you put your gloves on, what you want to do, you want to assess your client's teeth. So you want to assess your client's teeth if they have any veneer, any implants, or if they have any sort of gum disease that we cannot work with. So remember, we're cosmetic teeth whitening technician. We're not dentists. So we work with client who has healthy teeth and they want the prettiest smile. So you want to assess the client's teeth. So my client has a pretty healthy teeth here. So assess them and And also look at if they have what type of staining they have. So like if they have the extrinsic staining or intrinsic staining that we explained in the theory part. So remember, so extrinsic staining is staining that we get from coffee, wine. So that's the kind of staining that as cosmetic teeth whitening technician that we work with. So anything that's deep rooted in the teeth, that's for dentists. We cannot work with that. So my client here has a pretty healthy teeth, okay? So we're gonna go ahead now and give my client a cheek retractor to put it on, okay? Here you go. Down here.
I should be up.
Yeah, this should be, yeah.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
like this. Yeah.
okay.
So there, you put the cheek retractor on, give it to client, and then you're going to take your oral brush here, open it, and give it to client.
Thank you.
It's inside, and to explain to them, so you're just gonna use it to clean your teeth. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so you just clean your teeth, top and bottom. That's good. I'll put it here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so the next thing is your vitamin E oil. So just open it. Vitamin E oil with the red part, crack it, and you'll see the oil coming down, okay? So you wait until the oil reaches here. And then you're gonna apply to cleanse lip and gum area. Like so, okay? So you only have to apply this once. So you don't need to do this again after your 20 minutes when they go to rinse their mouth. You don't need to do that. You don't need to apply the vitamin E oil. It's only done in the first step, okay? Alright. So the second thing you want to do, we're going to apply the gum barrier. So the gum barrier, like I explained before, is used to protect the gum from any burning, okay? So I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to set the machine to 5 minutes to let this dry, okay? Make sure. So when applying this, you have to make sure you're not covering the teeth. Otherwise, when you apply the gel, that part of the teeth will not whiten, okay? So now we're gonna set the machine to 5 minutes to let this dry. Don't forget your safety glasses because of the light. Put on your safety glasses. There. Perfect. So we're gonna let that dry for 5 minutes, okay? You see why I said have a perfect towel? Client is drooling already. There you go.
Thank you.
So as you wait, you can here have your gel. So you just put 0.5 ml of the gel here in your little cup. Okay. And your little brush here, and you get ready to apply the gel once this is dry, okay? You wanna make sure it's close to the clearance mouth, okay?